In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make adjustments on www.weebly.com in a few simple steps. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your Weebly skills, this guide will walk you through the fundamental actions you need to know to personalize your website effectively. So let's get started. First, we're going to head over to the overview section of your Weebly account. This is where the magic begins. The overview section allows you to see a snapshot of your entire website, providing easy access to all the essential tools you need to manage your content. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in the overview section, you'll have a great vantage point from which to dive deeper into customizing your site. Next, let's click on X Large. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial for enhancing the visual appeal of your website. The X Large setting is particularly useful if you want to make a bold statement or draw attention to a specific area on your page. Once you've clicked on this, you'll be able to preview how your site looks with this new adjustment, helping you decide whether it suits your overall design goals. Now, we're going to click on the text option. This is where you can start adding your unique voice and style to your website. Text is a powerful tool for communicating with your audience and conveying your message clearly. By clicking on the text option, you're opening up possibilities to insert headers, paragraphs, or whatever content you need. Take this opportunity to be as creative as you want with your words, whether you're highlighting important information or weaving a compelling story. Next, you'll see an option that says, "Click here to edit." Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can alter text directly within your site, making it easier to spot changes in real time. Whether you're rewriting existing content or crafting something new from scratch, this editable field provides flexibility and control right at your fingertips. This step ensures that everything aligns perfectly with your vision. Now you can type in your highlights. Use this space to emphasize key points, whether it's a slogan, an important update, or any information you want your visitors to notice immediately. Highlighting text is a strategic way to guide your readers' attention to what you deem most important, ensuring that critical information does not go unnoticed. Finally, once you've made all your edits and are satisfied with how everything looks, simply click away to save your changes. This action may seem simple, but it's crucial to confirm that all your hard work won't be lost. Clicking away solidifies your content, making sure your updates are reflected live on your website. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated through essential features on Weebly that allow you to customize your site and make it uniquely yours. Keep exploring and experimenting with different tools to see what works best for you.